Hi everyone, my name is Atul. I am basically from Madhya Pradesh. I completed my graduation from Government Engineering College in the year of 2022 in the mechanical branch. My brother suggested me to join the JSpiders. I joined JSpiders in the month of October, and yesterday I got placed in the company AdSpider where the package is 4 to 6 LPA. I improve my technical skills from the JSpiders. Like Salman sir teach me web technology and React.js, and Rahul sir teach me core Java. Pooja ma'am teach me advanced Java, and Naga ma'am teach me SQL also. Here all the faculties and HRs are very friendly, and they will help you to get placed in the IT sectors because you can improve your everything will be there. Like in the classes are going on regularly on the times, and here they will conduct a presentation class. In the presentation class you can improve your communication skills, and they will conduct you for the mock grooming classes for cracking the interviews. It is very useful to crack the interviews, and they will conduct as a mock. Based on that, they will provide you requirement. If you are good in the subject, you can easily get the job in the IT fields. Thank you all the HRs and faculties who teach me and who give me the requirements, and thank you all the Hebbal branch of JSpiders. Thank you.